Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on Google Play Store in OPPO A38. And to do this, first let's open our Google Play Store and here actually try to find the game. So we're gonna go for Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's actually a game right here that we want, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, we need to go back, click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and move to the settings. Then enter Family, Parental Controls. Right here you can either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games and insert your PIN code. Here increase it to at least 16 and make sure to save it afterwards. Now if we go back and try to find the game again, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.